Video, I'm going to be presenting to y'all the final version of the first ever T-Vest, the first and only HD PC case. If you want to see how I went about building this out of an old HD television and all old recycled wood for $0, that video is also posted in part 1. Okay, so today in part 2 we're going to be covering some of the cosmetic effects, some of the more in-depth effects, functionality. I'm going to show the top, the bottom, and then we're going to finish it off with a light show. So in this part of the video, I'm going to be covering some of the functionality and looks at the top. This is before you power it on. Alright, this is some of the original old markings from the old HDTV that it was. Theater Y HD. It got that fine television black edge. I really like that black edge. It really makes the glass stand out. You get a nice magnification to this glass as well. These are the buttons for functionality. Program to power it on. Fan controls. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it on, let y'all see what that looks like. Alright, so if you push the old TV's power button, alright, I wired in the LED as well for the hard drive here. I use the light spreader to also show the colors of the LED. So it'll only change to the color of the LED light when the hard drive actually flashing. Other than that, it'll be the colors of the LEDs around. The computer powering up now. And this is pretty much what it looked like once you get it powered up. Okay, so this is what the computer looks like from the front when you're looking at it when you got the lights out. Alright. This is from the top. The magnification of the television with the polarizer lens removed is what gives it that bigger than usual look. It's really clear. You can actually go into the inside as well. Okay, then next I'll let y'all get a look at what the bottom look like, and then we'll begin the light show from there. Alright, now showing y'all what the computer look like from the bottom. As you can see, it's all glass underneath, so you can see all the way through to the back. It is this stupid ASUS motherboard, which y'all all know I don't really like ASUS. I wish it wouldn't have had to be an ASUS motherboard, but they basically forced me to take this one, voided my warranty, and so now I just basically built this big beautiful trophy case to hold it in, because that's how I look at it, you know. So since I'm stuck with it, I might as well use it as a reminder that when a company try to do you as wrong as that company tried to do me, you can fight and you can win. So there it is. Alright, so this is the bottom view, and next we move on to the light show for the closing. Alright, and for the end of the video, as you get ready for the light show, this is pretty much what it looked like once you get it all going up. Equalizer built into the keyboard as well, so you know you get the whole effect. So and this is what it looked like from the front once you get the light show going. Alright, that's why I wanted that open mouth on the front of it. Alright. And this if you standing up, if you're getting up to the top of it. You can build your own too. I got that video up in part 1. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to drop a like and subscribe. More projects coming up. You can catch me out streaming live on Twitch with a lot of cool tips and how-tos. Alright, so if you're into that kind of stuff, I'm coming, man. I'm finna be dropping a lot of good stuff for y'all. This just the beginning.